Title: The relationship between the ability of understanding mathematical concept with language ability during contextual learning. Researchers Salmaini S., Ahmad Fauzan, Imade Arnawa, Darman Shah, and Wahyu Widada. Abstract: Increasing the ability of the left brain can have a positive effect on the understanding of mathematical concepts. The purpose was to test whether there was a positive direct effect on student language skills through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman. Tabik culture on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. It was supersized. The sample was selected simple, random as many as 100 people from 389 students of Senior High School 3 Padang, Indonesia. The sample has attended lecture through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture for 8 weeks. The research instrument was a test of language skills and the understanding of mathematical concepts. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structured equation model. It is analyzed using a Lisrel application program. The conclusion of this study is that students' language skills through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture have a positive direct effect on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. 1. Introduction. The concept of mathematics were a difficult learning object for students. Even though the concept is a mathematical object that cannot be avoided by students. One of the reasons is the abstract mathematical object. The concept of mathematics is abstract. It is very possible for him to have misconceptions. Students learning mathematical concepts need relational understanding so that it can lead to misunderstandings and difficulty learning. To overcome student mistakes and misconceptions in learning mathematics is through learning that is close to the student minds. Students can do the mathematical process horizontally. Such learning will improve students' thought process such that it becomes a meaningful learning. Learning that is close to the daily life of students is one of the starting points for learning mathematics. Something that becomes a habit of students is local culture. One of them is local music. This can increase mathematical abilities such as the ability to represent mathematics, concept understanding ability, problem skills. This learning can also minimize student mistakes in understanding mathematics. The music is one of Pariaman culture. Music contribute to children cognitive development. Music help activate the child motor nerve cells, like the music that accompanies regional dance. Cajun dance become the starting point for students in understanding geometry. Through this music, students have geometric skills. Students identify and classify them in geometric structures. They are able to use models and symbols to represent the concept of geometric shapes. Mathematics and music are interconnected. Mathematical concepts and related basic music include sets, equivalent relations, function and graphic, integers, relational numbers, real numbers, notes, chords, notes, musical intervals, scales, and case signs. This will increase one's musical intelligence. It will include sensitivity to rhythm, melody, and tonal colors of the music being enjoyed. Pariaman Chidel are very familiar with Tabik culture. This is held every year in the month of Muharram. The Tabik ceremony has several ritual parts. This always involves Pariaman regional music, which is often referred to as dol music. In the Tabik tradition, the dol is a traditional drum which originates from Padang Province, Indonesia. The dol is played by trained men. The Tabik ceremony commemorates the death of Hassan and Hussein, the grandchildren of the Prophet Muhammad. This is a contextual problem that can be used a starting point for learning mathematics. The contextual approach is an approach that involves students who are active in the learning process. It is to discover or rediscover concepts based on student previous knowledge and experience. Language ability through musical chanting can affect the understanding of mathematical concept. Understanding this concept is a mathematical problem by emphasizing mathematical objects. Mathematical objects include facts, concepts, principles, and operations. Concept understanding in this paper is more focused on the ability to understand concept. The ability to understand concept is a cognitive ability that includes restating the definition of a concept, classifying objects into a concept, providing examples and not example of a concept, representing a concept in several forms, developing necessary and sufficient conditions, using curtain operations, and applying the concept in problem solving. Understanding of mathematical concept can be achieved better if students learn in a realistic manner. It is one of the elements in understanding mathematical concept. To improve the understanding of mathematical concept, learning is needed that support understanding concepts, namely learning to develop the ability to gather information, analyze information, and make generalizations by applying the process of cognition, connection, representation, communication, reasoning, and proof and problem solving. The ability to understand mathematically can be achieved complete if students learn through the ethnomathematic approach. Therefore, the language skills that are practiced through the art of the music as a local culture allow for an increase in mathematical understanding. It shows the existence of a conceptual diagram as the relationship between language skills and the understanding of math concepts. Language skills that are sung in music give a person a sense of relaxations. This affects the ability to think academically. Thus, language skills mediated by music have an influence on mathematical thinking skills. Therefore, the formulation of the problem of this research, whether of the student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture, have a positive direct effect on the understanding of mathematical concepts. 2. Methods. This research is a study with a survey approach. This research is designed to test the relationship between language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman, Tabik culture, and the understanding of math concepts. The population is all student of Senior High School 3 Padang, Indonesia. The number of available population is 389 students. The sample of the research was 100 people. The selection was made through simple random sampling technique. There are two latent variables, namely language skills and the understanding of mathematical concepts. The understanding of math concept in this study is specifically about the understanding of mathematical concepts. Researches were carried out when the annual Padang Tabi culture activity was underway. Therefore, the entire population research in this study has followed this learning model. The research instrument was a language proficiency questionnaire and a test of the understanding of mathematical concept. Data were analyzed using structural equation modeling. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structural equation model. It is analyzed using a Lisrel application program. 3. Result and discussion. The data from this test is the understanding of math concepts or pemahaman and language skill or berbahasa as a latent variable. Its variable indicator is listening, X1, speaking, X2, reading, X3, and writing, X4 for latent language ability variables. The indicator variable for understanding mathematical concept is X1, restate the notion of a concept. X2, classifies objects according to certain concepts. X3, provides example and not example of a concept. X4, present concept in various forms of representation. X5, arrange necessary and sufficient condition of a concern. X6, select an operation. And X7, applies the concept to problem solving by using the Lisrel egg application program. The data were analyzed and presented in Table 1. Based on Table 1, it is found that all statistical tests meet the fit or good criteria. It is a theoretical model that forces empirical data or fit good. The analyzed results show that 3 are 11 goodness of fit measure that show good compatibility and only one is not good. The conclusion of this analysis is that the overall model meets the good category. Furthermore, a diagram of the basic model standard solution can be presented. It can be seen in Figure 1. The data analysis as present the basic model t-values path diagram. For more details, please look at Figure 2. Figure 2 and Figure 3 are path diagrams understanding mathematical concept. The result of that represent the validity and reliability of two latent variables, namely the ability to speak language and the data analysis are presented in Table 2 and 3. Based on Table 2, the language ability variable which consists of 4 indicator variables has shown good validity. The table states that the loading factor values is more than 0.50 and t value is more than 1.96, as the construct reliability is CR together with 0.76 over 0.70. The final result shows that the reliability test of the latent variable of language ability is consistent. To explain the indicator variable for mathematical thinking skills or understanding mathematical concept, see Table 3. Table 3 shows that the validity of the 7 observed variable x5 until x11 on understanding of mathematical concept. The 7 variables observed were valid. The 7 manifest variables are restatement of concept x5, classify object according to certain properties according to the concept x6, show examples and not examples x7, represent a concept in various from x8, develop a condition which is a sufficient condition of a concept x9 utilizing and selecting specific procedure x10 and apply the concept to algorithm for problem solving x11. This is in accordance with the provision of the loading factor value of more than 0.50 and the t value of not less than 1.96. For reliability, the CR value is 1.4 over 0.70, which shows that the reliability test of the mathematical ability variable produce good scores. The conclusion is that understanding mathematical concept has good consistency. Based on the validity and reliability test and figure 2, basic model t-values hypothesis can be tested about the direct effect of student language skills through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture on the understanding of mathematical concepts. The test showed that 3 together with 4.86 with p-value together with 0.00. This means that there is a positive direct influence on student language skill through contextual learning based on the Tabik Padang culture on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. The results of this study are in line with other studies. Musical ability has a positive direct effect on the native abstraction ability of low-level elementary students. Ethnomathematics-based mathematics learning and a connected mathematics approach have a positive impact on student cognitive process. Students have the ability to understand multiplication and division operations, as able to communicate verbally, in writing, and mathematical representations. It is based on real media, based on local culture. Thus, it is true that language skill through contextual learning based on local culture have an effect on the understanding of math concepts. For conclusion, We conclude that there is a positive direct effect of student language skill through contextual or culture-based learning on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. This is supported by the validity and reliability of the indicators of the two variables, or namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concepts. Therefore, to improve mathematical thinking skill, educators must apply contextual learning based on local culture.